Hey guys, in this video I'm going to quickly walk you through the steps on how to upgrade a YouTube Music subscription to a YouTube Premium subscription. So to do this, we're going to open up the YouTube application. Once we're in the YouTube application, we're going to find our little account profile icon here in the bottom right-hand corner. If you're not already, you can sign in to your YouTube account, but opening up our account profile down here. Then from your account page, what you want to do is find this little settings gear in the upper right-hand corner and click on that. And then in your settings, scroll down until you find where it says Purchases and Memberships and click on that. To upgrade your YouTube Music subscription to YouTube Premium, we can click on our active YouTube Music subscription right here. And on this page, if you scroll down, you'll find recommended upgrades, and you can see right here the YouTube Premium membership option. It's $3 more per month. You'll still get access to YouTube Music, but it also gives you some additional features such as ad-free viewing on YouTube, which is kind of nice. So to make this upgrade, what we're going to do is click on the upgrade button right here. And then looking over this information, if everything looks good, we can click on the upgrade button again. And we've now successfully upgraded from YouTube Music to YouTube Premium. And you'll know you have successfully upgraded to YouTube Premium because when you're in the YouTube app, if you look here at the top, it will say Premium. So I hope this video is helpful, walking you through the steps on how to upgrade from YouTube Music to YouTube Premium. I appreciate you guys stopping by. Consider subscribing to the YouTube channel, and I'll see you back here next time.